The ratio of the number of apples to the number of pears at first was 4:5. After 4 apples and 11 pears were added in, the ratio became 2:3. How many pears were there at first? So if you notice, 4 apples were added in, 11 pears were added in. The total has changed, the difference has changed, and apples changed, pears changed. So basically everything changed. So in this case, nothing remained unchanged. So we will have to use units and parts to solve this. So I'm just going to write the before and after ratio. Apples is to pears, 4:5. Then in the end, apples is to pears. That will be 2:3. So since everything changed, we're unable to link the two ratios together. So I'm going to name the before as units and the after as parts. So I'm just going to go on to write down the two equations. For the apples, started off with 4 units, then added 4 apples, and ended up with 2 parts. And for the pears, started with 5 units and 11 pears were added, and we ended up with 3 parts. And in this case, I'm probably going to make the parts the same. I'm going to make parts the same. So 2 parts, 3 parts. In order to make the same, I'm going to change to 6 parts. So I'm going to times 3 the first equation and times 2 the second equation. So first equation is going to end up being 12 units plus 12 is equals to 6 parts. And the second equation would be times 2, which is 10 units plus 22. That gives us 6 parts. So now at this point, if you take a look at your two equations, you have 6 parts equals to 6 parts. They are already equal, which means that 12u plus 12 would be equal to 10u plus 22. So I'm going to write my new equation. 12 units plus 12 is equals to 10 units plus 22. So right now we have units and number on the left side. We also have units and number on the right side. We're going to have to make all one side only units and the other side only numbers by taking away the smaller unit first. So over here, I'm going to take away 10u on the right side. So 10u minus 10u gone. So what I taken away on the right side, I'm going to take away on the left side as well. So I'm going to minus 10u on the left as well. And because I take away the units on the right, now I'm going to take away the numbers on the left. So I have plus 12 on the left. I'm going to take away 12 and that will be gone, 0. So since I'm minus 12 on the left right now, I have to balance it out to minus 12 on the right as well. So let's see. On the left side now, we have left with 12u minus 10, which is 2 units. And on the right side now, we will have 22 minus 12, which is 10. So 2 units is 10. So 1 unit will give us 10 divided by 2, which is 5. So how many pairs were there at first? At first would be pairs at first over here, 5 units. So if we solve for 5 units, that will be 5 times 5, and the answer is 25. 25 pairs at first.